Okay, and in this video, I'm gonna continue scientific notation power of 10 8th grade. Last previous lessons before this lesson, I discuss and talk about it scientific notation, and we've seen that. So now I'm gonna keep continue scientific notation for a power of 10. Okay, so let's say you have 10 to the power negative 3, 10 to the power negative 3, 10 to the power negative 3. So you were asked which in not to represent, which one is not represent. Okay, so let's say the first one is 1 over 1000. Is this represent 10 to the power negative 3? The second one is this is fraction, right? The second one is decimal number 0.001. Is this also represent 10 to the power of negative 3? The second one is 0.01, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 over 10 times 1 over 10 times 1 over 10, right? So which one represent 10 to the power of negative 3, right? So this is, you have to say 10 to the power negative 3, you go into the left for 3 unit, right? You go into the left for 3 unit. So this one we have 1, 2, 3, right? Going 3 0 to the left, 1, 2, 3. So your decimal point 1 here, you go in 1, 2, 3, right? So what is that equal? 1 times to the 1 times 10 to the negative 3, right? What about the second one? You go 1, 2, 3, right? So 1, 2, 3, your decimal point ends here. So this become 1 times 10 to the negative 3, right? If you do like this. Second one, what do we have? Your decimal here is 1, 2, 3, 10 to the negative 10, 10 times 10 to the negative 3. That's what is equal this. Okay, so the third one, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000, right? 1 over 1,000, same like we have it in first one, right? So this is equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 3, right? So this is not the one that represents, because this become 10 times 10 to the negative 2, because you have to go back 2 unit, 1, 2, right? This is not the one that represent. And the other 3, 1, 2, and 4, they are the ones that represent for a 10 to the negative 3, right? Also, if you see like 10 to the power of 0, always the answer is what? Is 1, alright? 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Anything that has 0 power is always 1, okay? So let's say you have 3.937 times 10 to the, this is negative 2, you only have to move 1 unit, right? So it will become 0.3937, right? This is how you do. Okay, this is one more. I just throw it 3.937 times 10 to the negative 1. You move into the left 1 unit, right? So you will have 0.3937. This is how you do power of 10 for a scientific notation. Any 0 power is equal to 1. Any number that has 0 power equal to 1. Alright, so this is how you gonna show your work for a scientific notation power of 10.